Parallel shield belt. Okay. Some properties, shield. Get stat value. Parent. Energy recharge rate. Well, energy is a thing. Okay. Debug output spawn. If has comp. Okay. Shield that blocks ranged. Okay. Material bubble mat. Shader database. That's fine. Shield state should display. Where is that used? Draw. Does that draw UI or shield? I think it draws shield, probably. Reset, break, absorb damage, keep displaying. Gizmo, yes. Where is this thing called? Comporn. That's an override, okay. Well. I wish we could reuse this somehow, but I don't quite know how. We'd need to modify this, modify that. Does this thing have stats? Stat basis mess. Yes, it does. Recharge rate, energy max is 1.1. What is like the total max? I mean, we can test it. Well. We can override these by the 60F. Let's try it out. Can you add a comp to a class that doesn't have it? Good question. Dynamically. Properties for the shield. Yes. Blocks ranged weapons. Energy on reset. Starting ticks. It's like default, so we'll leave it as is. It's a good question, actually. Try get comp. No. List of comps. Nope. All comps. Okay. Post make. Okay, initialize. I like initializing. Activator to create instance of comp class. Okay, I like that. Thing comp.parent is the thing, that's fine. Comps.add, yeah. Thing comp.initialize comps by type. Comp stylable, forbiddable, quality. Is there a add? No. Comp. Let's just, okay, I like initialize, I like this code. Should probably keep it. Wait, who sent me a message? Let's keep that here so I don't forget. Let's look for more comsing messages. I mean, expose data, that's fine. Broadcast, spawn setup, despawn, destroy, kill, tick. Pre-apply, additional leavings, comps draw. Event drawing, power grid, get gizmos, spec string. Okay, notify defs post map init. I don't believe there's anything to add a comp. Used verb, killed. Lots of notify stuff. Color change, that's my map removed. Pre-swap map, post-swap, okay. Thing. Add. Please tell me there's an add comp. I mean, this is doesn't have comps, so rip. This is private. Alright. I guess we're stuck with this function. Okay. Is initialize comps. Is this private? It's for thincom. Okay. Thincom that initialize def. Thing. Wait. Definition gets the comps from the definition. So it sends the comp properties. Wait. Def.comps of I. Yeah, because definition has comp properties. That's right. Our case here, though. Yeah, I have to send a comp pro. Okay, one sec. Let's check. Comp shield. It has properties. We can check if our shield has that. Thing is, it only has this. Maybe we send a new. Alright. Thing is, will it save? post data, and that's a good question. Comps, it does save, which is good to see. Alright. It's gonna be an interesting one. Empty comps list. Why is everything private? Get comp. Okay. So what else is there? I know about this part. Comp by type from C in comps group C by C dot get type. That's a weird way to do a loop. That's a very complex piece of code right there. Is it actually used? I might just skip this. It's not. It's used. In try get. Oh yeah. If it's not equal null. I see. What is it? Type thing comp array. Interesting. What the? From C in comps group C by C dot get type. C loops over the comps, which are thing comps get type. Okay. To dictionary. Because it could have multiples of the same comp, is that it? I guess the answer is yes. Okay, okay, I see what I'm gonna. Okay, right. Let's start by creating the infusion. Let's see how it goes. Man. We're also gonna need to. Tracker. I think the file's called tracker at least. Apparel tracker. Is it gonna be an apparel? Yes. So does it have any clothing? Innumerable. Is locked. Is there like an on-equip event where there is an equip event? Remove, there is a remove event. Try drop. Try move to inventory, drop all. That's gonna be a complex one to patch. Wearing. Notify pawn killed. Gizmo. Notify apparel removed. Yeah. Apparel edit. Who calls this thing? That thing calls it. Notify edit. Okay. And who calls notify edit? Base. Try add. It's not like an equip thing, right? So try add. Huh. Man, we gotta figure out how pawns equip their items. Thing honor. That's not what I want though. What about where? Where was cool, I think. Where? Apparel.where. Quest, incident worker. Force target where, yeah. Use outfit stand. Looks like where is like the on-equip event. And... I mean, we need to know if it succeeded. Oh, it does try it after it's done. Remove. Can wear together. Drop replaced apparel. Okay, that's fine. Seems like it does a triad. Which is like the thing owner. Man, that's so confusing. And there's no way to verify whether the apparel was worn. We can check. We can check if this apparel. What about drop though? Like try drop. Resulting AP. Have to patch all of these unless like there's a better function. What is this try drop? Calls this try drop, which does worn apparel. The try drop, which is thing. Okay, maybe thing owner. What about this thing owner? Okay, interesting. Maybe we'll patch into thing owner. Try move inventory, drop all. Very interesting. Either patch all of these, or we could just patch this one and that one. Try move to inventory. And that one. And this one. Okay. How do you move your apparel to an inventory? I have no idea. That is a lot of events to patch into. Man. I wish there was just it'd be like one singular event or something. Wear and remove. I know there's like armor stands. Maybe move it to a crate shelf. I don't know. It's not fun. Drop the thing itself. Thing owner. Is that a thing owner? It is. Okay. So remove. We'll say remove. Okay, and we'll say let's patch into thing owner. We'll say on try add, that's 1. Remove and try add, that's 2. Let's remove thing owner. Move try add. Since everything seems to be going into that thing owner. Try drop. Also do try drop, I guess. That's 3 functions. Let's leave that. Try move to inventory. It calls remove. So maybe let's also do the counterparts. So that's where. And remove is still remove. We can say try drop. Try move, calls remove, and then try add. So maybe, let's see, that's not what I want. Try drop, calls try drop. Need to patch that in. Still the same. Try move inventory, calls remove. Let's just see. Maybe we should patch into apparel tracker. Drop all, calls try drop. That's cool. Is it? Yep, calls this one. Okay. Try drop. Excellent. That's confusing. Wait, no. Let's just do this. That's where. These are the initial. And try drop. Okay. And then we have drop all. Try to move to inventory. Wait a stun. Try drop. Okay, try drop is fine. We did drop all, and then we have it uses add clear list, temp apparel list. I mean, it uses try move to inventory, which uses remove, so like it's all, they're all dependent on these three main functions. Okay. Drop moves all to inventory, or does drop all, whatever. So that calls either you or you, and you guys depend on the top. That's good to see. Destroy all is scary. Clear and destroy content. That's like a direct call, which I don't like actually. Why is this used? Desecrated. Okay. Yeah, it's used. Okay. We'll also patch into that one. Contains, that's fine. Wearing, that's fine. Notify. All of this, I feel like should be fine. 1 sec. Okay. Oh, it's hot here. Oh my god. Okay. Gizmos. I think we're good. You know, there was the destroy function. Where was it? I didn't type it in. Destroy all. We should patch that. Just in... I did add it. Okay. Destroy all. Which calls this. I think the rest is just checks and events and stuff. Apparel removed. Who calls this? I think if it's thing owner... Yes, it's thing owner. Maybe we hook into these events. Apparel added, apparel removed. That would be cool. Instead of all these functions. Notify removed. Does that get called like multiple times? No. Notify removed. Well... let's check one thing. If destroy all calls apparel removed, I'll take it. Yep, it should destroy. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take these events instead. Apparel added. Just add these in. And these should be in apparel tracker. And that's nice, actually. Way better than what I had in mind. Apparel chain, I think apparel changed is gonna call both like one add and one remove. Hopefully, we'll try it out, I guess. Bullet impact. Yeah, we're good. Okay, we've got everything in mind. Let's get coding. We need a new infusion tag, unfortunately. Shielding. That's 3. And a small great. Wait. Somebody sent me a Discord message. Oh, nice. Someone just finished Celeste, even chapter 9 and everything. Cool. Case you. Turn this. Itoyoron. There we go. So what are we gonna say? Let's hook into apparel edit for now. Harmonize. Man, harmonize sucks. Fine. Not quite a fan of harmonize. Maybe we should start our harmony patcher file. Just divide them for now. Public. We'll say public void, actually public static void, patch all vanilla methods. Just say that. I'll just need to copy an example from any other mod. For example, you. Harmony patcher. Get these. Add them here. Boom. Oops. Harmony instance. Just we'll pass it here. Should be fine. That's gonna be Notify apparel added. We'll call this pawn apparel tracker. Yes. Call this notify apparel added method. I'll copy this again. On postfix. That's okay. We'll say again. Let's copy you into here. Notify apparel added postfix. Believe we don't have a patches file. Yeah, that's something else. Alright. Let's do patches. It's public, by the way. And do public static void. Just copy this name here. Oops. Okay. One more question. Let's see. Rimworld, that's Rim. Games, my mods, Infusion. Base defs. Let's open all of these. Not you though. Shielding. That's fine. Shielding. There is an enchantment called shielding. Oh man. That sucks. Ugh. And for some reason it's on weapons. That's funny. There's some sort of flying insect that I can't seem to get rid of. Okay. Do we just remove this? It sucks. Honestly. I mean, it's cool, but it sucks. Let's ask Gemini for a name instead. Okay, fine. Got a magical enchantment on a weapon that generates shield bubble that blocks all projectiles. I need you a name for it. Should be a single word because we have to follow that style, sadly. Aegis. Oh, baby. But I think Aegis is taken, isn't it? Love Aegis, though. Please tell me it's not taken. Thank God. Yeah, that's a name. Well done. Well done, AI. Okay. We're gonna start at rare for now. I believe it could be uncommon, but for now... Apparel... Apparel clean base, what's the difference? Apparel base is match apparels, market, max hit points. Clean is like without these. Okay. Rare armor base. Not utility. I think we're gonna go rare armor. Probably. Oops, how did that come here? Damn it. Wasn't that on the other screen? Oh man, it's fine. Nobody's gonna watch this. Don't go. Need you. Okay. So we're gonna say it's a rare armor base. Is that even used? Yes, it is. Okay. Rare armor base. Sure. And I think not utilities, like not utility builds. That's fine. We'll test it out. Aegis. 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 Easy. Stats. We'll go with like maybe max. It's a multiplier though, so let's maybe do 0.1. No need for armor. 2 allies. Why though? Let's remove that. And then we need to add tags, I think. Let me make sure. We have tags here. Yep. Tags. Close it. Ally. We'll say shielding. And with that we have our infusion. Now we go to our... we need to hold this somewhere. Let me just remove all of that useless stuff. So we go to mod.cs. We have the instance here. It's a static. We can use it. Okay. We go to defs, load it. We say harmony patcher dot patch all vanilla, and we pass instance. Hopefully it works. It worked. Okay. And we go back to harmony. I mean, that's good. We go back to our patches. We can close this. We can close you. We need the apparel added, so we'll add it here as well. Apparel's unknown, obviously. Using Rimworld. Okay. And then we need to get the comps and check if there's a shielding thing. Okay. I mean, check if there's an infusion. So we'll say comp. Is it infusion comp? Can't remember the name. Comp infusion. Fusion comp equal apparel dot try get comp. Comp infusion. Yep. And we'll say yeah, but if it is equal null, we'll just exit. And then we'll say if not comp dot has contains tag, we'll say infusion tags dot shielding will also exit. And then actually we can just combine these or remove this. Okay. Now we do the thing, which is what? We do that. Props equal new. Not sure if this is correct, but we'll use that. Initialize. Yeah, that's... sorry, props. No? System.type. What? But it passes comp property. What do you mean, buddy? What if you say as comp property? What if you say this is just a comp property? You remove that. Nope. Right. What is happening? Takes a type. Interesting. I don't know how that works. It takes home class. Okay. This needs reflection. Initialize with list of comp properties. 1. Initialize with comp properties. Okay. Initialize with props. Yes. And this needs private infra. This needs reflection. Also, this part needs a reflection. Okay. I think we'll call Claude here for this one. A bit too complicated for me. Infusion. Let's add not this. Me games mods. Fusion source. That patch is okay. It failed. Or it did not, okay. Let's copy this. In patches.cs, I'd like to initialize a comp, what is it called? What is the comp shield? A comp shield class, and add it to the apparel using reflection. Wrong thing. Make sure to look at so that you can add it correctly. Let's see if we can do it. You don't need to search. Okay, fine. You won't find anything on the internet. I give you the code, man. Simple. Just add it to the array and add it to the comps by type. That's all. And I guess we call this, but we... yeah. Yeah. It's not that complicated. Doesn't need searching the web. How did it find results? Whatever. If it does it correctly, it's good. Come on, stop. I wish I could tell it, like, don't search the web. You won't find anything of... that'll help you. If you just read the code, you'll understand how it's initialized. What made it decide to search the web anyways? I have no idea. Yep. Love when you search the web for useless information. Oh my god, 10 results again. It's probably the same results as the top one. Mapping out component initialization strategy. There you go. Again. Okay. Is it gonna keep going into an infinite loop? Is it gonna search the web again? Oh my god, finally. Yep. It's not gonna exist on an apparel, I think. We don't have to worry about that. Comps field. Okay. So, after all this search, it actually hasn't done it correctly. Let me help it here. Also need to add it to but yeah, we'll take it, sure. Patches. Okay, my security. Searching the web. Oh my god, not again. You idiot. How does it add get value? What? Rimworld decompiled. Nice. Finally, now it does it correctly. You're wasting 5 minutes of my time. I will say I would have been probably faster if I knew reflection, but I don't. So we're stuck with this dude. Var comps list. I do prefer. Is that from Odyssey? Sounds like space music. And if it's a null... yeah, I guess we'll take it. I don't know. And then... did we go to space or something? No. We'll do you. Wait, but... no. Initialize comps. Does it check for a null? No, it doesn't. Okay. We don't need to do that. We don't need to do the null check. That's useless. Just add it straight away. Add the thing comp. Sorry. Set value null, what the hell? Clear the cache as a get comp would rebuild it with the new component? What the hell do you mean, buddy? Does get comp rebuild the cache? If it's not equal null? Comps, if it's not equal, it doesn't rebuild it. What the... buddy? I guess... no. I'll just add it as is. Let's type by field. What's comps type by field? It's a dictionary. Oh, one. Why? Because it's cast. Okay. So we'll cast that as well. And we'll say... comp class is a type. How do you create an array? Surprisingly, I've never worked with arrays in C#. .to array. Okay. Can I say new array? And just say like think comp. Believe no. New list thing comp. Just add a thing comp. And we'll say .to array. Cool. Not sure if that syntax is... I fear this syntax, honestly. Let's just... list of thing comp equal types list. Oh, no, types list equal new thing comp types list .to array. I think we're good. And don't need it. Public static void. Init reflection. Do this. We'll do that. Why is it giving me an error? Oh, it's a read only. No, it's not a read only anymore. Because we're gonna go into mod and we're gonna say okay. So on apparel added, if it has shielding. No. We changed the name though. Aegis. Aegis. There we go. Patches. If it has Aegis. And we'll go here, we'll keep its Aegis. This is scary, but I did it. I did all the things that are required. Still scary. Fusions, Rimworld, mods, Infusion, base, defs, replace, let's, boom. PVZ, Plants vs. Zombies, Xenogerms for sale. I like the idea. Xenogerms for sale. Where's my mod ideas? Xenogerms for sale is a cool idea. We'll take it. Phew. Okay, no errors. That's kind of a good sign. Not really. Let's see. Okay. This time we need an apparel with quality. Let's get the flop hat, whatever. You have to check also that he doesn't have shielding already, which is kind of weird. What if there's multiple shielding infusions? What would happen? No, it's called Aegis. Sure. I'm waiting for... Yep, already got an error. No, didn't get an error. Interesting. No error. No shield. 1 sec. Let's log that message. Equipping apparel. Edit shield comp. Maybe shield is just, it's more than the shield belt, but seems to me like the shield belt has a comp properties shield. Layers, that's fine. Color generator. Clothing for nudity. Don't see other special information that would determine the thing. Okay. Spawn the flop hat a masterwork with Aegis. Please wear it. Forswear. We got equipping apparel 19 times. But, not a single time was... Why is it 19? What? 62 times? Okay. Pump equal null. Pump infusion. Or not come. Contains tag Aegis. Maybe it's still on shielding? Yes, that's the issue. Let's try again. Is it gonna be that easy? Man. Would be nice. What if there's multiple shielding comps? That's the question. That's the golden question. If it doesn't error, I'm just not gonna handle it, honestly. If I can have like stacked shielding or something, I have no idea. For now though, we're good. Let's do this. Dev start. No errors, please. Here's the apparel. Our shielding flop hat. Tough. Yeah, no. Let's remove. And infuse with Aegis. Please wear our shielding Aegis magical thing. So I can see the the shield. Which is good. But personal shield that will attempt to stop incoming projectiles or sharpnel. It's a good start, but it's not recharging. That's the only issue here. Let me check. Does it take time to recharge? It's funny. Or maybe... wait. Does that mean it's at 0 shielding, or does that mean... I believe it means that we're at 0. Get the... not that. Get a good assault. Shoot this dude. Just for a second. Okay, broken. Let's wait for a moment. It's not charging. Obviously bad. Okay. So, wait. Comp shield thing comp. I have to assume we're gonna have to override these. Energy shield max. So here, energy shield max is what? Where's the thing? 1.1, 0.13 recharge, an equip delay. I'm more concerned. Okay, wait. Shield max, energy max. Apparel score per energy max. Okay. Let's try one thing. Patching prefix, annotations, I think. Getter. Yes. So in order to patch a getter, you do harmony patch of type the thing and the method type is getter. Can we do that in harmony patch? I mean, harmony patcher. Method. System type string name. And then the parameters. Let's ask, how do I do a harmony patch on a getter? Oh, cool. But using this style. Can I even do that? It's also giving the thing that we want to patch. I want to patch energy max in this file. Really? Is it that simple, I wonder? Okay, we'll try it. Let's see. We'll not worry about energy max for now. We'll worry instead about go up, energy gain per tick. And we'll say this is comp shield. We'll say getter method, I guess. You. This is a postfix. No. Copy you here. Postfix patch. Energy gain tick. Postfix. Okay. Go to patches. Actually, go to here, and I guess public static void. We can safely delete these. Float result. Yes, I want the result. And I may also need that thing. Is this thing cached? No, it's not, is it? It's not. It's not cached. It gets it from the stat value. Ugh. When does it work? On a tick. Yikes. Works on a tick, huh? We should cache something. All right. Let's just stick to the simple things. The shield belt has a recharge rate of 0.13 per tick. Wait, that means that's a huge number. Let's do 0.2. Let's see if that works. I hardly doubt it, but things work sometimes. It's great when they work. It's not great when they don't work. No, don't want that. I want Discord. Roaming world boss scenario. Errors, yes, we get there. Null methods. Yay. Wait, let's send it to the dude. Getting a null method error. Let's see if they can fix it. I highly doubt it, but wait, no. Actually, changed my mind. Ah, that is indeed my bad. Right. Dot property getter. Yes. Let's do this again. Also, I think we don't need this anymore. Let's do the. Ah, come on. No errors. Excellent. Let's quick test. Hopefully it works. And we can like define the stats in the infusion itself. That would be cool. Yeah. Spawn an apparel. The legendary flop hat. Or masterwork in our case. No. Only one flop hat is allowed. Use with Aegis. These were the thing. Don't know. There's no shield. Huh. There's text. I don't know what the text is. Okay. Let's check the code for tick. Shield state. Oh, if pawn honor equals null. And that is the energy equals 0. If parent is apparel, apparel.wearer. If parent is pawn, return result. Okay, so it should work. Shield state.resetting. Energy equal energy gain plus tick. Yes. Stat def of. But it's like divided by 60, so it's. But like, that's. Like if I do 0. What do I have here? 0.2f. If I do 0.0 divided by 60, that's like a minuscule number. Instead, I think 2 divided by 60, still a minuscule number. Okay, just do 30. That's like half. Good enough for me. So what What's happening here? Why is that a 1.1? No idea. Energy on reset. Lock ranged weapons. Starting ticks to reset. Yeah, that's fine. No. We will not do this. We will do it the correct way. I should save with a... Yeah, let's... Save... a flop hat... with an infusion of Aegis and... Aegis... Testing. Yep. Should have logged. We'll see. Still not getting any charging. Why? 0 charging. Damn it. Fetching energy. Just do this just to see if anything is happening. Pawn owner. If parent is a peril, get the wearer. Okay. If it's no. Shield state resetting. Shield state active. Excellent. Why isn't it working, huh? I mean, it's not being used. Where's the... Okay, let's wear it. Still not being used. Hidden funeral. What? Is it calling comp tick? Yes, it is. And we did in patches, in fact. Do we override here? Okay, let's... I guess we'll have to override here. Sucks. Comp shield. Comp tick. Methods. Postfix method. Shield comp tick postfix. Public static void. Just logged message. Ticking for now. Hopefully we get something. Think once we start the game we should see ticking. I'm not entirely sure. Or once we wear it. If we don't, we're out of luck. Or we can get an error, like right here, right now, or not. Let's do this. Run it. Am I getting Comtech? No. And if I wear it? Yep, I'm not getting any Comtechs. Which means... Comps, let's get value on the apparel. And add the comp. Man. I mean, it seems like things are working, but it's just not ticking, that's all. Parent is apparel. From apparel, we're getting a list of things comp, right? Yes. And then we're adding you, comps by type, we're adding you. Initialize comps. Let's ask Claude maybe. Patches and harmony patcher. Maybe this dude will do it. Gives your code a few potential issues. That's all incorrect. Let's look at this one. Oh my god, what else is it suggesting? Oh, custom shield. We can do custom shields. But, don't think... yeah. Can't override these, sadly. So I'm unsure how a custom one would help. Alternative solution. Instead of patching the existing, consider creating your own custom shield. Post spawn setup. That's a lot of suggestions, mate. Not exactly what I wanted. Still typing things, my god. Protect glitches from comps. I mean, everything looks good to me. Wish I could add something where I could like print. Get debug action. I don't quite understand why this is happening. Loading file from... okay. It's not doing ticking. Even though I'm subscribed to the function contick. Base.tick. And thing with comps. The thing is, there's a lot of ticking going on. I don't want to subscribe to that function. If thing was comp, it's apparel. And apparel.def name is flop hat, maybe. I don't know, I'm not happy. Fine. Subscribe to the function. Harmony patcher. Thing with comps. .tick. Yeah, method 1. one, whatever. Tools.method of thing with comms tick. Thing with comms post tick. We'll go here. And from thing with comms, we need comms, which is a list of thing com. So, list of thing comms, underscore comms. Apparel flop hat. Yep. Copy you. We'll try that. Do believe flop hats don't have comps, but we'll see. Never know. But why? No failure. Any ticking? No ticking for the flop hat. Wait. Wait a minute. Tick. Tick interval. I believe you need a ticker type. If the ticker type is normal. Rare. That's because these don't tick. Hmm. Should we subscribe to the tick function? Yeah. Not sure if I have a solution for that one. Subscribe to the tick. Then we need to add it to some sort of global storage. We add the on patch. We'll add like on equip. We'll do a map component where we save a list of thing with comps by reference. And we tick them, we loop on them. We call comtick. And one is unequipped. We do the opposite. It's gotta be shitty though. Because each tick will have to do a get map. We could also... Oh, it's bad. Let's say it's very bad. Force or... No, I'd rather just subscribe and do my thing. Okay. Actually, no. Better idea. I think map component ticks, right? Map component tick. Yeah, okay. Not a fan of putting them on map components though. What happens if you swap maps? That's my question. How do we do this? Also, I think once you save and load, uh, mm -mm -mm. What does map component have again? Draw, expose data. Okay, when is this called? Does it decompile? Finalize this sheesh. It's on loading. Excellent. What about a game component? How do we take? I think it shouldn't save. Doesn't contain. It's a bit of a hacky way. Not sure. Scary. Quite scary, actually. But, yeah. We should do one thing. Clear these. Probably shield contact, post fit. Yep. Oh man, playing with fire here. No errors, but we should clear these to save performance. Yeah. if it doesn't contain, because these are stats. Finalize init. Okay, we need IL supply here. Open games. Zeros 2B. Move. Let's try again. Apparently some pawns don't have apparel or something. And just defensively do it. Since this runs once, that's fine if we keep it like that. Checking the notes. Alright, moment of truth. Okay. So it seems like it. Okay, now we've got things under control. Okay, this is apparently too much, so we'll set it to the original. Still charged instantly, but maybe... Okay, let's check one thing. Have a ticker. Normal ticker. Drop this. You see how it's slowly charging. Oh, I see. I kind of understand what happened here. That's fine. Wow. Instant charging. It's like map tick. It's just another level of ticking. This map ticks slower than thing tick. I mean faster, I guess. Post map tick. Ah, there's a tick manager. Maps.count, tail manager. Map pre-tick, scenario, world, game ender, tail manager, autosaver. So how does thing get called? Trade ship, thing owner. List. I mean, both of them are ticks. That's a tick. And then my post is a tick as well. So why is it recharging? Damn it. I wonder if it has a default value and we shouldn't patch it. Let's see. Okay. With Infusion. Okay. Yeah, I know. I'm messing up the game. Sorry. Even without patching, it's still faster. Wonder why. Point oh. Oh, it's way less. Okay. Oh, because this is divided 60. Yeah, that sounds about right. Probably like a multiplier from Masterwork. Okay. Let's try one more thing. What happens if... You have 2 shields now? Oh my god. Okay. So cool. Okay. So... Need to go to our infusion. Keep floats, probably. What's the thing for max energy? Shield recharge rate. And the other one is energy max. Set to 200. Okay. Then we'll go to keyed floats. I should keyed floats. Acidic shinnery. I know that, but okay. Keyed death. There we go. Energy shield recharge rate equal to, and energy shield max energy equal 3. Yeah, we'll leave them. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And then we'll go to you. We have that. Go to that. And say if it has ages. Let's find how this is used. Okay. So we'll go to this. No, we'll go to this and say that should be comp.def. Uh, okay, and then we'll do another one for max shield. Or energy max in that case. Harmony patcher, energy max, energy max. Energy max. Energy max. Yes. Yep. Energy max. Okay. That's it here. Also, which functions did we want to patch again? Because I forgot. Where did I type it out? Apparel removed. So here. No, here. Let's put these below. And then we'll say here. Is comp list always defined? I hope so. Post make it does initialize, but it doesn't even. If not def, it comes on. Okay. Okay. But how? Initialize const, if not def. Def.const.any. I just added it to an empty one that doesn't have any comps. Unless apparel by default has comps, that's why it worked out. Okay. Assuming apparels do have, so we have initialization, so we don't need to check for that. But what we do need to check for is if comps list dot any comp is comp shield. What's wrong? Is it used? Yeah. Probably because it's declared. Yep. I just want one thing. has a shield comp, return. Don't do it. And then we need another one for removal. Wait a second. Ah, yeah, that's fine. Should log here. Log.message. Apparel added. And just say the apparel name. Apparel.def name. Do the same in the one that we're gonna do right now. Apparel removed. Remove. Removed. And removed. You. And then we'll go to patches. We'll do public static void. And that takes an apparel. Yes. So I'll need that. What if there's an apparel? Don't want to take an apparel that's not being worn by somebody. So yeah, we're checking that if it's a worn apparel. Okay. Then we're good, hopefully. Then we'll go to patches. Say here, apparel removed. Okay. We'll check for these. Check for that. And then we'll say comps list dot remove all. Move where? Thing comp is comp shield. So remove the shield. Let's also get comps by type. And we'll get map component dot Infusion map. Move thing to tick. Let's remove a key. It should be just comp shield, right? That's it's not a is a type. Really? It's not valid. Dot. Wait, dot. Isn't that a type? Comp shield. let's try it out. I'm not sure when that'll work. I did not mean to click that. So wearing gives an error already. The key was not present in the dictionary. What? Heat floats. It's there, right? Oh. Infusion label, keyed floats. That's my bad, probably. Because I forgot to copy. Let's check Discord. Better animal panel. Come on, what now? What do you mean was not present? Gotta be kidding me now. Where is this? No wonder it's failing. One time I forgot to copy, the other one I just copy it elsewhere. Boom. Now work. Just wanna test destroy, drop, move to storage, whatever there is. We got a couple of options. Strip clothes. We've got a couple, okay. Let's write them down. Because we will forget, probably. Leave that. Drop, destroy, strip clothes, move to somewhere. Probably armor stand. Yeah, we'll go for there. Please no failures. Thank you. Excellent. Now there is one thing. Regeneration is excellent. Oh. Yeah. Wait a minute. How much is it gonna recharge? Oh my god. What is setting the max? Okay, wait. I've gotta also update the maximum. Don't think we need that. Comp shield. Apparel score. Energy max. Yeah, I've set that to... What? Isn't my patch patching that right now? Result. Energy max post fix patch. Yes. Huh. Let's see what's this being used for. If energy greater. But it says here if energy greater than energy should. What the hell is happening? Complete. I don't know what that is. Energy, that's 1. Keep display less absorb. Well, let's try again. Let's try. Just turn this off for now. Just log that message. Emacs. Love the message. And underscore result. Thank you. Build. Boom, boom. Energimax. Energimaxu. Okay, let's force fire for a sec. Oh, Emacs is 1.4. Let's look here. Aha. Don't quite. It's like it's a float. Interesting. It multiplies by 100 maybe. Let's check. Oops, that was a mistake. Something was not set to an instance of an object. IL spy comes to the rescue. Open. Infusion. P for patches. And we're mainly looking for move apparel, postfix probably, yeah. Postfix. You. Zero, 6, 9B. 9 like 8, 9B. What? Does it have no? Call virtual. Map apparel.map held. Wait. Dropping an apparel means it doesn't have a map for some reason. Get component. If spawned, return. If parent holder null, return null. Okay. If apparel dot map held is null, like that message. Apparel map held is null. I can see why it like. Like maybe in a transition phase between dropping the item from pawn to the ground, it doesn't have a map. I have no clue. I don't need this anymore. Yeah, what we do need though, modify this. So 200 is no. 2. That's set. 2 is 200. Let's fix one error at a time, though. Drop. Yes, the map held is indeed null. So we can just say map. That should be easier, right? Why is it? It's an insert mode. Come on. Map is find.maps, map index or state. We'll try map, sure. And we'll copy this here. Alright. Drop. Still fail. No map. No map. Man. We could have a prefix and send the map in before they right, no. Not quite. Pawn, we have the pawn. Notify unequipped, okay. Pawn is public. Excellent. So we'll do patches. Pawn apparel tracker. Actually, now it should be instance. And just say instance dot pawn map held. Hopefully that fixes the situation we're having here. Let's see. Please work. Please. Please. Police. Yes. Finally. And if we were it again? No errors? Okay. I did disable the patch, didn't I? For like energy. Yeah, okay. Don't think we need the logs anymore. Since we know the situation. Okay. Let's also try damage until down. Strip. Somebody gotta strip him. No errors. Excellent. Shield is out. Wait. No shield. Let's try that again. But was destroyed. Let's like go aggressive. Destroy. Pew. Yep, I knew it. Bet you this time it would be something different. But it did call apparel removed to be fair, which is good enough. We just have to see what's the situation here. 0A0. What's A? That's apparel removed. C. I feel like A8. A0 is the map get component. All right. Okay. I mean, he's getting destroyed anyways with all his stuff, so it's fine. Yeah, but we want to remove that from the map because it's gonna tick it. How about find dot map? Wait, dot map. Find dot current map. There we go. How about that? Huh? Hopefully it handles all scenarios. So forswear, drop is good. Forswear, damage until down, strip, prioritize stripping, no errors. You good? You good? Load the game again, and then we'll do a destroy. Destroy, boom, gone. With the wind. And then one more. Which is how do we want to do it? Is there a stand, outfit stand? Yeah. Forswear. Cannot equip outfit, stand is empty. Equip outfit. Okay. Is that from KV? No idea. Ah, it has, okay. Apparel. Armor. Wait a second. Somebody hold to the stand. Excellent. Equip outfit. Boom. Got the shield. Ah. That's nice. Yeah, so now it's behaving correctly, but Why is it saying out of 140? Draw. That's not. Where's the comp shield? It's taking it from the... Okay. Okay. Mhm. I want to fetch this. Not. Hmm.
وانت رأيك ده الصوت؟
think we tested. Oh. It's fine. It changes name. Let's try another one.